Hey guys, we have another vehicle here for window tinting service. This is on a FJ Cruiser, very shiny, and this will look good together with our top of the line Arctic Series Nano Ceramic Tint. So we talked to the customer, we explained to him the details of our product, and of course, as you can see, the customer has full confidence in our product, and so we're going to be doing a tinting job on this. Now, the bonus of this is that this car, we already have our own data for the pre-cut window tint, so the customer doesn't even have to wait for that long. We can just go ahead and cut the tint, and then we can automatically apply it on the vehicle, and then we can get this, over with. So guys, if you have any vehicle that you'd like to be tinted, do consider us here. We have a professional window tinting studio. We're the only shop here in the area who offers pre-cut window tinting, and we also have a washing service for your car before we actually do the tinting. Thank you guys, and have a great day.